That's where this comes into handy. It just goes right down there like that. That's awesome. It just feeds it down in there like it's nothing. Woo! Now I've already put it all together. I've got it right here. I've actually been using it off and on for about 2 or 3 days now. Now I want to do a quick review for y'all and kind of tell you what my findings were. So here's the box that came in. It's got a powerful motor, 2 dual edge cutting blades, PE collection bag, large chipping diameter. You can see the overall shape of it right there. Very simple to put together. You're going to put these wheels together. What I did, I assembled this bottom base first. Make sure that these are facing outwards just like this right here. Loosen this screw up right here. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. They do supply you with this Allen key right here. The Allen key is going to use, there's a Allen key bolt on the back side. Actually, these are covers. Kind of spacer works right there. You're going to put this middle spacer in there, put a screwdriver in there, and then just tighten up each wheel. Very simple to do. Then snap these covers on and you are good to go. Now it does come with, it doesn't come with an extension cord, but it's got this plug-in right here. You see this little handle thing right here goes on the side. You see how it just locks on the side? This is so you can push your, plants and trees and shrubs down inside there. That way you're not sticking your fingers down there. Don't ever put your hand down there. And the basket right here, one hook there and one hook right there. And you can see it's got labeled Yeryork on the front of it right there. And I'm gonna show y'all real quick on how I can turn this shrubbery into basic kind of mulch. You can see some of it that I've already done right down in here. Look at how nice this looks. Look at that grind up, everybody. That looks awesome. That turned out so well. It grinds up leaves and the trees and everything. So, and it seems like the diameter you want to do is about this big. This is about as big as the diameter. So you've got 2 different sizes holes. You've got a smaller one and a larger one. To turn it on, you're just going to turn a switch right here. Now to open it up, so if it gets something stuck down in there, just unscrew this. See how it lifts up? So if you get a branch or something stuck down in there, there's all the cutting blades. These cutting blades are replaceable. So you can take those blades off and replace those. It's got the dual blades, one right there and one right there. I'm not gonna stick my hand in there, but you can see how it all works right there. Pretty simple how it works. It just goes down like that. So let's go ahead, let's fire this thing up and let's see what we can get cut and go on it. So let's do that now. To turn it on, we'll just hit the button. Slow build up. Kind of sounds like a big vacuum cleaner. We'll start with some smaller ones like this first, everybody. When it gets to that point, get this thing. Gone. That's awesome. It just feeds it down in there like it's nothing. Woo! All right, come in here and let's look and see what we got, everybody. So here's our bag. So when you get done with that, check this out. Look at all this beautiful mulch. That's great for gardens and pretty much anywhere where you want to kind of like make your own mulch. That's all kind of like ground up leaves and mulch, and it grounded up very smoothly. Some of the leaves it missed a little bit, but I'm okay with that. The mulch itself looks really good. I'm going to put this around my garden beds and all that, and I think this is a great little wood chipper for pretty much all around things. That's just that much already gave me almost a full bag. I'm going to go ahead and finish out the rest of these, and then we'll go ahead and put it all up and we'll be good to go. So yeah, there it is. That's all I've got from the, the Yeryork wood chipper. See you on the next video.